So join me here today on a very sunny Friday afternoon at Hollin Hall in Bollington. So we're here to shoot a wedding, doing photography and video today. So I'll just give you a walkthrough of the location, how the room's set up for a wedding. So come and join me, we'll check the place out. The place is just currently being decorated, so I'll show you as it's partially decorated and then as it's fully decorated. I'll show you the hotel as it's set up for the wedding, for the meal later on, and if you're thinking of booking here, you'll know exactly what it looks like. So what an absolutely beautiful venue, and thank you to the management. A cup of tea before we start work. Just down here on a lower level, to set up a small area for bridal portraits to be done, and they're accessed by these steps going down here. The hall itself does make for an absolutely great background, so if you don't want to walk all the way down there for your photos, you don't need to. You can just use the hall as your backdrop. Well, the room isn't fully decorated yet, but it will be very shortly. So the room here today is set up for 80 people. Get a lovely pool of natural light coming through from the ceiling here. I'll do another shot once the room is fully completed. And then behind these curtains, which will be closed during the ceremony, is the bar, and they will just bring all the tables forward and redress the room for the evening meal. This is the restaurant area, which will make a lovely backdrop for portraits if the weather isn't too good or it's winter. And a little conservatory area just out the front. There you go, the room's all set up. That looks really, really nice. You said you're going to show us something. Yeah. Perfect. And here we have it, the room is now being turned around for the evening entertainment. This looks really nice. And a nice small top table. Traditional dance floor. Oh, and a lovely room. And the bar. There you go, now we've got all the DJs set up as well, so it looks really, really cool. So that's it, there you go.